International Yoga Day to all. In today's video, we have a topic, yoga for COVID-19, and for that I have Kavya Pachori to demonstrate few asana with me. So let's start. So first we are going to do sun salutation or Surya Namaskara, which is a very beautiful practice which creates a lot of heat in your chest, in your lungs, and very good for increasing immunity. So if you do this practice every day, you will be completely safe and you can use it as a prevention from COVID-19. So here we start our Surya Namaskara practice. You take 1 foot distance from the mat, how she is taking. Then join your feet, join your palms. And here, inhale, she is going to take the hands back fully. And exhale, she is going to touch her head to the knee. But initially, if you are a beginner, you can be, yes, now slowly take your right leg back and look up. Very good. And then slowly take your left leg back and come in the plank position or Dandasana. Hold 1. So make sure this doesn't go down. This is little up and you are holding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop your knee, chest, chin. Ashtanga Namaskara. And in this position, try to touch your elbows to the chest. Like this, to your body. Now inhale, lift up in Cobra or Bhujangasana pose. So here she is doing full Cobra, but if you are a beginner, you can be normal Cobra. Inhale. And exhale, mountain. Drop your heels on the floor fully and take your head inside fully. And then slowly take your right leg forward and look up. And slowly take your left leg forward and touch your head to the knees if possible. If not possible, you can be normal. Then join your palms from down and breathe in. Lift yourself up. Take a back bend nicely. Go back and exhale to the chest. So this was our first Surya Namaskara. So like this you need to practice 12 sun salutation every morning. This can be taken as a warm up also. Now we start because this works on all the muscles of your body, head to the toes. So this can be very useful as a warm up also. But it is a wholesome exercise which nourishes your body, mind and soul. So now she is going to do independent right leg up, exhale left, drop knee, chest, chin, breathe in, breathe out, mountain where you drop your heels down fully, touch your head, try to touch the head on the floor, then take your left leg forward and the other leg forward, touch your head to the knees if possible, join your feet, breathe in, breathe out, take your right leg back, look up, left leg back, plank position, plank, then drop your knee, chest, chin, 8-limb salutation, and inhale, rise up in Cobra or Bhujangasana pose. She is doing here full Cobra, which kids can try, and you can do the normal Cobra also. Then exhale, mountain pose, where she takes her hips up and dropping the heels down slowly. Then right leg forward, look up, then left leg forward. Then she is trying to touch head to the knees and join your palms from down and slowly take a back bend into the chest. She is done with the 1. Now she is going to show the left leg. So join your feet, join your palms, breathe in, stretch yourself up, exhale down, left leg back. Inhale, left leg back slowly, and drop your knee and look up. Now plank, drop your knee in the plank position, chest, chin, and inhale, rise up in Cobra or Bhujangasana. Exhale, mountain, where you and take your left leg in with inhalation, right leg in with exhalation, Join your palms from down slowly and lift up, take a back bend and to the chest. So this is how you can do. Now she's going to show you quickly, fast, 6 more. Inhale up, exhale, touch, inhale right, exhale left, drop your knee, chest, chin, breathe in, breathe out, right leg, left leg, breathe in, breathe out. Now she will do her left leg. Breathe in, out, in, other leg plank, drop knee, chest, chin, breathe in, Cobra, Bhujangasana and Parvatasana and mountain pose. And take your right leg forward, left leg forward, inhale up, exhale to the chest. More properly, inhale up, exhale, touch your head to the knee, palms down on the floor, then take your right leg back. Drop your knee, look up, left leg back. Plank, come in the plank, then drop your knee, chest, chin, breathe in, rise up in Cobra, breathe out, mountain, breathe in, right leg forward, breathe out, left leg forward, join your palms, breathe in, breathe out to the chest. One more she will show, breathe in, up, breathe out, down, left leg, right leg, plank, drop your knee, chest, chin, inhale, rise up in Bhujangasana and Cobra, exhale, mountain, inhale, left leg, exhale, right leg, inhale, rise up and to the chest. Now she will show you 2 more. Now you say the breath.
Inhale, exhale,
Louder.
one leg back, the other leg back, plank,
Drop the knees, chest, chin, breathe in.
exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, drop your knee, chest, chin, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale.
Very good. She did the 6. Like this, you can do 6 to 12 initially, then you can increase slowly. Now we'll do the Mukha Dhoti. Keep your leg apart. Inhale. Through the mouth, you're exhaling 4 more times. 3 more times. 2 more. And 1 more. Relax. Now we are going to do 2 Tadasana now. For that you need to interlock your finger. Inhale, come on your toes and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You come back and slowly relax. Now we'll practice Vrikshasana or tree pose. So take your any leg first. Generally we take right leg. Inhale, arms up and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First you release your hands, then you release your leg. Now other leg. Put it up. If you are not able to put it here exactly, you can keep it on the knees or below the knee initially just to find your balance. Then inhale, stretch nicely. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First release your hand, then release your legs. Very good. Now, we'll be sitting down on the breathing. Just focus on your breath. Before we do some breathing for immunity. Because if your immune system is strong, you can fight with any virus and bacteria nicely. That won't harm you at all. So you need to keep your immunity very, very strong. Now, the breathing which we are going to practice is Brastika breath. So for this, you need to close your one nostril and with a smiling face, 20 breath, you are exhaling with the force. Once you're done 20 breath here, you do this side down. Relax, close your eyes and some deep breath. After cleansing the nostrils, we are going to do very important 3 breathing exercises, which is very, very good to increase the immunity and strengthen your lungs, which is the dog breathing, rabbit breathing and lion breathing, which Kavya will demonstrate for us. So we do the dog breathing. Sit in Vajrasana position. Put both the palms down, 5 fingers spreading in front of the knees. Now she is going to take her tongue fully out. First she will inhale before taking the tongue out. Breathe in through the nostrils. Take the tongue fully out. And she will exhale through the tongue out, full out. Stretch it out fully. Stretch it out fully, yes. And look down. And keep doing 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do 20 to 30 exhalations in one go. And again inhale and again do 20 to 30 times. Keep exhaling. Once again. You can repeat 4 to 5 rounds at a time. If you are a beginner or if you have any allergy or asthma issues, do slowly, do 10 to 15 breaths. No, don't do more than that. Now this was the dog breathing. And this is the abdominal breathing, and this is very, very beneficial as you are exhaling a lot of CO2, you are doing the detox of your lungs. Next breathing, she will do rabbit breathing. So for rabbit breathing, she will show the side probably, sit in the Vajrasana position. Now she is going to go down on the elbows, hips little up, and then she is going to roll her tongue down under the lower lip. Now she will do the rabbit breathing and inhale and same way exhale. Slowly come up. She did already 2 to 3 rounds and then relax, close your eyes. And next breathing she is going to show the lion breathing. Sit on your toes, stand on your toes stand like this, and then you drop your palms, fingers facing inside, and you need to roll like a lion. So inhale, take your tongue out. Very good. Very good. Keep doing. Total 9 breaths. Take your tongue fully out. Very good. So you need to make the sound through the throat. Up to 9 to 10 breaths. And relax. 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 Sit in Vajrasana position. Keep your eyes closed. Relax yourself. Then in this sequence, we are going to practice the last breathing, which will be moon breathing, which works as a healing breathing after these 3 breathings. So you take your hands behind your back, holding the right wrist with the left hand. Breathe in, stretch your head and stretch your chest up towards the ceiling, and with humming the sound you are going down. Very good. So like this you are doing 9 breaths. Breathe in, come on. Keep doing. Very good. 3 more breaths. Inhale full. And you're exhaling until the head touches down on the floor. So this should be 10 to 15 seconds exhalation. Each breath you do. You can be as slow as you want to exhale more, as you are synchronizing breath with the movement. So you need to be slower. One more last breath. Slowly come up and relax. Relax in the cross leg. And sit in Vajrasana or any comfortable position. Just relax, watch your breath for a while. And you can do some meditation here where you focus on your breath. We'll do the breath meditation here. You close your eyes and focus on your breathing and try to count your 10 breaths. Make sure you don't put any efforts on your breath. You're just simply counting your 10 breaths. How every breath is going inside and coming outside. And you're completely effortless. No efforts on the body, no efforts on the breath. Just observing the breath and counting the 10 breaths. Make sure you keep a smile on your face. After counting the 10 breaths, take your attention to your mind and start observing all the thoughts coming in your mind. Just be a watcher, be like a watchman, watching all the thoughts coming and going, but you're not getting involved in them. Just watching. You will feel as you focus on your thoughts, they are slowly getting disappeared, and at one point you will find your mind completely empty. And that is the purpose of the meditation, to give you the mind relaxation. Keep meditating on your thoughts. Let them come and go. Be completely effortless. All the thoughts coming and going, you're observing but not getting involved in them. Now start feeling that emptiness of the thoughts, as if nothing is there. You're completely still. from outside and from inside. Feel that stillness, enjoy that stillness in the body, that peace within you, that silence within you, and you're completely enjoying it. Make sure you keep a smile on your face all the time. Now slowly you're coming back, and slowly rub your palms. Keeping on the face. This was a whole sequence which can be practiced every day, whether you want to do it as a prevention from the COVID, or if you have some symptoms and you feel I should not have further symptoms of this problem, then you can continue this sequence every day at home. This has full sequence of asana, which we did this in the Surya Namaskara, and also some standing asana, and the breathing exercises for the immunity, and a beautiful short meditation. You can increase this meditation if you feel like, but practice 3 times a day if you have any kind of infection, and or if you take it as a prevention, don't forget to do twice a day. So that's it for now. Thank you everyone, and once again, happy International Yoga Day.